Good morning, students. Today we will study about representation of number on number line. Chapter 1, Number System, Mathematics of class 10. So let's start. Locate under root 3 on number line. Under root 3 is irrational number. To locate this, first of all, we will draw a line and take some point at equal distance. We denote by dot on equal distance. This is number line. Take this point is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, and in this direction this is -1. Now locate root 3 on number line. 0 to 1, this is 1 unit. So we will draw 90 degree at the first unit. So for this we will draw angle 90 degree using compass or protractor. You can use either compass or protractor. So this is simple. We will draw 90 degree and now join this point to this point. This is 90 degree. Here this unit is 1 unit. Now take the same distance 1 unit on this line and join this point to 0. Like this. This is 1 unit and this distance is 1 unit. So using Pythagoras theorem, let's denote its name. Suppose this point is A, this point is B and this point is C. Then AC equal to under root this square plus this square, 1 square plus 1 square. Using Pythagoras theorem, it becomes 1 plus 1 equal to under root 2. That is, this distance is under root 2. From here to here, this is under root 2. If only we draw under root 2, then we will take this distance and draw an arc which cut this line at any point. This point is root 2 and distance from here to here is under root 2. But our aim is to locate under root 3. So again we will draw 90 degree at this line AC. So using compass or protractor, you can draw 90 degree on this line. Here I am using compass. So like this you can draw 90 degree at the point C. Again taking this point, cut here. So now join this point and C. You will get angle 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And again cut 1 unit. This is 1 unit. And you will cut 1 unit from here and join this point to the point O. Join this point to the O. A, B, C. Suppose this point is D. Again using Pythagoras theorem, OD equal to under root this square plus this square, root 2 square plus 1 square, it becomes 2 plus 1 equal to under root 3. So OD equal to under root 3. Now you aim to locate under root 3 on number line. So you will take this distance and draw an arc which cut your first line at some point. Here A, B, C, D. Suppose this point is E. This point is E. So this point E is under root 3. That is AD equal to AE equal to under root 3. AD, this is equal to AE equal to under root 3. Similarly, when we will draw 90 degree at this line and take 1 unit and draw this line, you will get under root 4, similarly root 5, similarly root 6, root 7, root so on. This it becomes a square root spiral. So this process is lengthy. So for big number we will use another method. Suppose second question, locate under root 5 on number line for this we will divide under root 5 equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5, and 4 can be written as 2 square, 1 can be written as 1 square. So using Pythagoras theorem we will locate this point. For location of this, firstly we draw a line and divides in equal parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So this is number line, this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here in this direction -1. Now under root 5 equal to under root 2 square plus 1 square. Then you will take 2 unit on this line and 1 unit perpendicular to this. So we will draw a perpendicular line at the point 2. So draw 90 degree using protractor or compass. Here I am using compass. So we will draw 90 degree. Here one cut, taking this point, draw another cut, then you will get 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree. Join this point to 2, you will get 90 degree. This is 90 degree. And when we join, now in this axis this is 2 unit, and on perpendicular line you will get 1 unit. So measure 1 unit and draw an arc which cut this line at some point, and join this point to O, this point to O. You will get under root 5. This is under root 5. Naming them, this is point A, this point is B, this point is C. OC using Pythagoras theorem. OC equal to under root this square 2 square plus this unit is 1 square equal to 4 plus 1 equal to under root 5. So this unit is under root 5. Now we will draw this on number line. So taking this distance, we will draw an arc like this. This arc cut at this line at this point. Suppose A, B, C, and this point is D. So you can write AC equal to AB. Sorry, AC equal to AD equal to under root 5. Similarly, you can draw so many points on number line. Suppose next question 3, represent under root 9.3 on the number line. For this, we will draw a line 9.3 centimeter. centimeter. This is 9.3 centimeter, and extend it by 1 centimeter and extend. This is 9.3. Suppose this point is A, this point is B. This is 9.3 centimeter. Here to here, this is 9.3. Now under root 9.3 can be written as under root 9.3 into 1. So we will take 1 unit, we extend this line to 1 unit. This is 1 unit, extend up to 1 unit. Suppose this point is C and this BC equal to 1 unit. Now draw a semicircle on BC. For this, we will draw its perpendicular bisector to take its midpoint. For this, we will take the distance more than half and draw 2 arcs up and down. Similarly, taking A as center, we will draw 2 arcs up and down which cut this line, and now join these 2 points, this points and this points, point of intersection. We will join the point of intersection, this point and this point, like this. This is the perpendicular bisector of AC, so that this point will be the midpoint of AC. Suppose this point is M. Taking M as center, draw a semicircle with radius MA equal to MC. So like this, we will draw a semicircle. Now extend this line up to some distance. Suppose this line is extended up to here. Now we locate this point is 0, this point is 1, and similarly you will take some more points after 1 unit. This point is 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now your aim to draw the perpendicular line at the point B. So for this we will draw a perpendicular line at the point B. For this we will draw a perpendicular line. For this we will take one cut here and again one cut here, and then above one cut, and again from this point one cut here, and join this. This is the intersection point, and join this point and extend up to this line cuts the semicircle. So A, B, C, suppose this point is D, and this point becomes under root 9.3. So when we locate this point on number line, you will take this distance and draw an arc like this. This cuts this line at this point after 3. This point is under root 9.3, so that BD equal to, suppose ABCD, and this point is E. BD equal to BE equal to under root 9.3.